Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up a frozen pizza in the NuWave Brio 14Q air fryer oven. This is a 14-quart air fryer oven, so it can hold something a little bigger than your small personal size pizzas. And so we're going to do something a little larger. We're going to see how that turns out. We're going to get started right now. Alright, so the pizza I have here is a Sicilian style Culinary Tours flatbread pizza. It's got peppers and cheeses, and so it's cooked in a wood burning oven. It was hand stretched. So basically going to be cooking this up in the NuWave Brio 14Q, and we'll see what we get. Basically their instructions would be to preheat to 425 and to bake it for 7 to 9 minutes after you preheat to 425 in a conventional oven. The NuWave Brio 14Q only goes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, but it cooks pretty hot. So what I'm going to do, because I want to make sure that the bottom mesh rack that I have here is really hot, and I've got it on the lowest rack holder. I want to make sure it's really hot before I put the pizza in. So I am going to preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm going to turn it on, go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For cooking time, although, you know, it probably only needs 7 to 9 minutes, just so that I have an even number to count down from, I'm going to set 10 minutes so that, you know, it's easy to tell when I stop how long it took to cook. And going to hit the preheat button and going to hit start. I'll bring you back once the preheating is done and we'll get the pizza in. Alright, the preheat has finished. Going to open up and just slide the pizza right in there. Going to have to slide it in lengthwise, and it goes right in fine. Close up. We'll see how long this takes. Alright, I've let this go for 6 minutes, and I'm going to stop it here. I've been keeping an eye on this, and it looks pretty good to me. So here we go, and that's just 6 minutes. So I'd say 5 or 6 minutes and you're good to go. Going to turn it off, close it up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and do some slicing of this pizza, but let me give you a good look at it here. Let me know if that looks good to you. Alright, let's go ahead and cut. I'm just going to cut it into thirds here. And I'm just going to, for our taste test, just take this end piece here. So we'll get the camera moved and we'll taste test this pizza from frozen in the NuWave Brio 14Q air fryer oven. Alright, so here's our flatbread pizza. The bottom feels nice and crispy, so let's taste. Okay, very crispy, perfectly cooked. The NuWave Brio 14Q does it faster than a conventional oven, a little faster. You know, I probably could have pulled it at 5 minutes and been just as well, but I waited an extra minute to 6 minutes, but it was looking good from 5 minutes in. So, turns out good. The NuWave Brio 14Q can knock out that frozen pizza no problem. And I do like how the preheat helps to get that bottom nice and crisp. I didn't have to do like the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite, where you didn't preheat, but then the bottom is a little soggy and you're spraying cooking spray to try and crisp the bottom up and such. It doesn't have a preheat function like the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. NuWave Brio 14Q has that preheat, and it's a good benefit. So I definitely like it. I hope you did too. You can find this, other heating instructions, recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. I'm on Twitter and Instagram at Wave Oven Recipes. You can always come to this YouTube channel through waveovenrecipes.com. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with a friend, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.